It's hard to believe that not so long ago, I used to look like this. And that was because I had to shave my head because my hair looked like this. But now, I look like this. And that's all thanks to me starting to use an iRestore Professional about 6 months ago. So 6 months ago, I made a video talking about how I was going to begin to use the iRestore Professional to try to regrow my lost hair. And since that time, I've had so many people reach out to me asking how it's been going. So today in this video, I'm going to show you the results. The 4 to 6 month period of using the iRestore is when you begin to start to notice results. And I've been using the iRestore Professional religiously, and I haven't missed a day with it. So here's what my hair looked like before, and here's what it currently looks like. Now, I shared these side-by-side pictures on my community page on my YouTube channel the other day, and 72% of the people who took the poll seem to agree that my hair has improved. Here's some other before and after pictures so you can get a better idea of what my hair looked like then as opposed to what it looks like now. So here are a couple other things that I'd like to know. I've only been using the iRestore Professional Laser Helmet, the iRestore Shampoo and Conditioner, the iRestore 3-in-1 Supplement, and the iRestore Anti-Hair Loss Serum. I've not been using anything else. I've only been using the iRestore system. So going through this process, about the 2.5 month mark, I started to notice that my hair started to shed quite a bit. Now this is actually pretty normal, and this is expected. What's happening are you're starting to lose some of those smaller hairs, and they'll hopefully be replaced by much thicker and stronger hairs. Now after that 1.5 weeks that I went through, my hair loss stopped completely. I mean, when I would dry my hair with the towel or I'd brush my hair, there was absolutely no hairs coming out. So going forward from that 2.5 month period, I mean, my hair loss stopped completely, and today I'm not losing any hair, I'm not experiencing any shedding. Things have just seemed to get better and better. I'm at the point now where I was before I started losing my hair. I'm just not seeing any hair loss. So at about the 3-month period, I started to notice that I was growing some new hairs. Now I had one hair in particular that was very obvious that it was new, and that's because it was about 1/2 inch from my normal hairline here in the front. You can see it in this video. It started out small, but it continued to grow and get thicker. And this was one that I clearly could demonstrate that the iRestore was growing new hair with, because I knew that there was no hair there ever before. And I saw it come in, it was a fine little baby hair, and it just kept getting thicker and thicker. I also noticed several other hairs along the front. Another area, you can kind of see right here, I have a spot that's still thin, but right all across here was really starting to thin out. And this has really filled in quite a bit. Still here, it's a little thin, but it's getting thicker. It's a lot better than it was. And then on my crown here, I had an area that was about the size of a quarter that there was just no hairs growing in. But that has shrunken considerably. It's now smaller than a dime because I have new hairs that are popping up in that area. And while it's still thin, it's definitely getting better. Again, at the 4 to 6 month period of using the iRestore Professional, that's when you're going to start to see the results. It should just continue to get better and better from here. And finally, one thing I wanted to mention, I reached out to iRestore about testing this product and making videos about it. They did not reach out to me. They're not paying me in any way. This was just me wanting to test their product because I was interested in the technology. I thought my channel would be a good platform to show whether it works or not. And I'm saying what I believe. But I think that says a lot about iRestore and the way that they back up their product. Obviously, they give you the 12-month money-back guarantee. If you're not happy with it, not getting results, you can send it back, get your money back, no problem. But they were willing to go out on a limb, give one to me, and I could say whatever I want about it in a video for all you guys to see. And I think that means that, they really think that their product works. I think it works. I'm seeing results. And I just wanted to share that with you because if you're interested in it, you want to know if it works, you can see what I'm going through, the results that I've gotten, and you can make an informed decision. Again, whether you buy one or not makes no difference to me. I'm just here to show you what I've gone through and the results that I've gotten. So with that being said, iRestore was gracious enough to give me a coupon code that I could give to you guys for $200 off should you decide to buy one of their helmets. I'll go ahead and put the link in the code below in the description, and if you want to pick one up, I'll save you $200. Well guys, that's all I have for you today in this one. I'll see you again in 6 months for the 1-year update. So until then, I'll see you next time.